Good morning, children. This session we are going to start the next class syllabus. Okay, 6th class syllabus. The first chapter is about the sources of food. From 4th standard, 5th standard, all classes you have learned about food, the variety of food, ingredients, different things. Okay, today we are going to learn a little more about food. So the first thing is you should know what is food. See, one bike or any vehicle, if you want to move, we have to give something to them, is it? That is called what? Fuel, is it? We have to add some fuel. Fuel means petrol, diesel or anything we have to add. Then only the vehicle will move. The same way, when we have to do something or we want to do something, we too want some fuel. So our fuel is what? Food. So food is our fuel. So food is a substance that gives us energy and to grow and protect us from disease. Everything is done by the food. And what the food contains? The food contains so many components or so many other substances, chemical substances. Those chemical substances we have called as what? Nutrients. So nutrients are nothing but the chemical substance. In the 5th class you have studied the different nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. So these are the different nutrients that present in the food. See, next, variety of food. Now we see, you just call your friends and ask what they had breakfast. Maybe the same. Some have pulao or some have upma. Maybe the same food item. If you are calling a friend who is in North India, or who is in foreign, maybe they may say I had some bread and jam or bread and some salad. Is it? In North India they may say I had chapati. So the food is not same all over the world or all over the India. It is different. So the variety of food depends on the different matters. That is, first one is soil. For example, some plants will grow on particular soil. The same crop will not grow in another type of soil. So whatever the availability of food, depend on that only we are having or we are consuming the food. So the soil. And next one is climate. All the crops don't want the same climate. Some plants need more cold, some plants need more hot. Like that it is depend. The climate is depend on different plants. So next one is culture, like different caste and different religion. They depend on different types of food. For best example, Christians and Muslims depend on more non-veg items, and some Hindus want as non-veg also, some have some. So depend on the culture, the food is varies. And next one is occupation. For example, somebody is very rich, their food items will be different. Somebody those are very poor, their food will be different. So the variety of food depend on these all things. And next one is ingredients. Suppose I had morning one idli. Okay. So do you know what are the ingredients? Ingredients are nothing but the items what I am using to make a food. That is called the ingredients. Today I had idli. So what may be the ingredients to make idli? Yeah, what is that? Main ingredient is what? Rice. And with the rice, I will add some dal. It's called urad dal. Let me show you. So this one is called urad dal. I will show you after the class urad dal. So I will take some 2 glasses of rice and half glass of urad dal. And so from morning till evening I will soak it. And evening I will grind nicely. And next day I can make with that butter, I can make what? Batter, I can make some idli. Okay. So the things what are present in a food we call as ingredients. Ingredients depend on different types of food. And next one is, here one example I have written sambar. To make a sambar, what ingredients you need? You need oil, mustard, dal, vegetables and spices and water. So these are the ingredients of sambar. And next one is what? Sources of food. See, we depend on to whom we depend on food. What food you had? I thought I had idli in the morning. So idli I had taken rice. From where I am getting rice? Yes, I am getting rice from the lunch I had nice biryani. Okay. To make biryani, what is it? Chicken. Is it? So chicken is a, from where I got it? It's from plant or from animal? Yeah, it's from animal. And I like egg too much. So egg is from where? Animal. And milk. So some food we are getting from animals and some food we are getting from the plants. There are two sources of food. They are plant and animal. Today we are going to discuss about the plant sources of food. See here, food from plants mainly we can divide into different groups. Those are cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables, oil, sugar, spices and beverages. These are some common food items what we are getting from the plants. So the two things first, cereals and pulses. You may get confused with what are cereals and pulses. So these both are getting from plants, seeds. Okay. So these are both are seeds. But the difference between cereals and pulses is that cereals give us energy, but pulses give us, what pulses will give us? Yeah, it is rich of protein. Okay. And cereals are rich of carbohydrate. That is the difference. But both are seeds. Cereals, best example is we are consuming the most cereal is rice. Rice. We are depending on the rice. Daily 3 times at least we are having the rice. So rice is the main cereal we are consuming. Okay. And next one is pulses. Pulses is rich of protein. That is the seed of what vegetables like beans and some beans and long beans. These are what pulses. I will show you the pictures of the pulses. So pulses, best example you are having daily the dal. Dal you are having, no? So dal is rich of what? Protein. So dal is a pulse. And next one is fruits and vegetables. We are not having that much fruits and vegetables, is it? But we should include fruits and vegetables more in your diet. Why? It means this only protects us from diseases. If we are having more fruits and vegetables, we are more protected from the diseases. Is it? In this corona season, always say have to eat more lemon. Is it? So lemon is rich of vitamin C. So vitamin C protects you from most of the diseases. You should include more fruits in your diet. And next one is what? Oil. Oil is not much good, but we need for to store as fat. When we are not getting carbohydrate as energy source, we depend on the fat. So oil is the main source of fat. Okay. So we are getting oil from different plant sources like mustard. Mustard oil we are using, and sunflower oil, coconut oil. There are different variety of oils. But these all are getting from where? Yes, from plants. And next one is what? Spices. Spices is nothing but the things or the substance that give color, flavor and good smell, okay, and different taste. And sometimes spices can use to preserve the food. Preserve means should not get spoiled. For that also we are using spices. Best example spices, this cinnamon, clove. I just show you each one what is the spices. And next one is sugar. We like sugar very much, is it? No? For tea, for milk, whatever we drink, we need sugar. So from where sugar is getting? Yes, it's from a stem of a plant. Which plant? Yes, cane. Is it? Sugar cane. So we are getting sugar from the sugar cane. It is stem. It is actually stem. The stem is full of what? Sweet substance. Okay. While we are taking juice, that we are getting the sugar, then that juice will get dry and we are getting the sugar. Actually we are using as sugar two things. One is jaggery and another one is normal white sugar. One black color thing, no, that is called a jaggery. Jaggery is better than the white sugar. Why means while making the sugar they are adding some chemicals to make it white color. Okay, but jaggery is the natural sugar getting from the plants. Okay, so these are the sugar we are getting from the plants. And next one is beverage. Beverage is nothing but the drink. Whatever the drink which give you some energy and some freshness, such a drink we call what? Beverages. Mainly we depend on what? Coffee and tea. So these two are the main beverages. Okay, and tea. From where tea getting? Tea from which part of the plant? Yes, it is the leaves, tea leaves. They are taking tea leaves and after drying the tea leaves will make it powder, and that powder we are using as tea. Okay, but the coffee is just other thing. It is beans. Beans means seed of the plant. Coffee beans. Coffee beans we are making powder and using as a coffee. So these are the main food items what we are getting from the plants. Now you can see the spices. This one is called a clove, okay, and this one is cinnamon. I will use to make biryani, and this one is chilli, and this is the udad dal. This udad dal we use to make idli. So that's all. See, that was only our first class. If it is very fast or something you are not understanding, just send me the message and you will get a worksheet and assignment. Worksheet you want to write in the homework book, and assignment you want to write in the classwork. And one activity I have given, that activity you want to do and write the back side of your notebook. So that, thank you.